Pandas, Fillna only numeric, int or float, columns. I would like to apply Fillna only in numeric columns. Is possible? Right now, I'm applying it in all columns. df equals df.replace, or *s asterisk dollar, np.nan, regex equals true.
You can select numeric columns and then Fillna. E.g. It's an old question, however, I discovered that individually filling the columns is faster than the currently chosen answer. Comparing speeds, the loop returns for 170s plus or minus 12.1s per loop, mean plus or minus std.dev.of 7 runs, 1000 loops each, while the accepted answer returns 1.57 milliseconds plus or minus 26.3s per loop, mean plus or minus std.dev.of 7 runs, 1000 loops each. If the data frame size is increased to 60,000 rows, pd.concat, df, *10_000, ignore_index equals true, the loop returns 1.48 milliseconds plus or minus 79.2s per loop, mean plus or minus std.dev.of 7 runs, 1000 loops each, while the chosen answer returns 2.47 milliseconds plus or minus 140s per loop, mean plus or minus std.dev.of 7 runs, 100 loops each. For both instances, the loop is significantly faster than the chosen answer. Also, your mileage may vary. Just some food for thought, especially when trying to wring out more performance.